Hello, Alex.
Hi, Stacy.
And hello, members, and welcome to It's Rocking at the Club. Today, our video is a special new membership card edition.
Yes, and good timing as the new photo ID member cards are an important part of being a member with the club at Horseshoe Bay Resort.
Mario, you know me. Why do I have to show you my card? I was here 2 days ago.
Peyton, it's just the new process we're implementing. We cannot ask for some members for their cards and not others,
This is a change. I can see why this is going to be an adjustment, members.
Stacy, I really think members understand why the new process is so important.
Peyton, this is to procure members' exclusivity and security, right?
I'm a member 25 years. This seems a little silly, but with that, I also know people are accessing our amenities who should not be. So with that, I'll get with the program.
Well, and our membership office is open 6 days a week if you don't have a card, right?
Oh, great. I'll be right back.
It is all new for this 50-year-old club, so I understand how members feel about the change.
How's it going? Are you a member or a hotel guest?
I'm a member. My number is 77777.
Okay, awesome. What can I get you today?
I'll take a Lantana lemonade.
Of course.
Oh, that's not nice.
No, see what happens?
There is a better way, Stace.
Hey, how's it going? Are you a club member or hotel guest?
I'm a club member.
Awesome. Thank you. What can I get you today?
A Lantana lemonade, please.
Of course.
The security piece of this change is so important.
Hi there. Welcome to Cap Rock Cabana. Are you a member or a resort guest?
Oh, I'm a member, yes.
Perfect. Do you have your card handy?
No, I forgot it this time.
Oh, I'm so sorry, but our new policy here at the resort is that we make sure to check that you have your membership card on your person.
Yeah, of course. But I come here all the time. Raven knows me. I'm just here to grab a quick drink.
Okay, do you possibly have it on your cell phone?
No, shoot. I'm sorry, I don't.
I'm so sorry.
Hey, honey, I think we're going to have to start to Christian get a membership. I think we can't be at CAP anymore. They're asking for cards.
I think the members do understand. I have heard a lot of support about the new requirement. The tough calls that I've received are really because it's about they're coming from another smaller club and we're different.
Yes, we are a rather large club, and that's lucky because we have so many amazing amenities for our members.
So true, so true. And members will remind you with those frontline associates just to be compassionate. They're doing their job.
Yes, they're asking everyone for their card, and remember, you can also take a photo of your card with your phone.
That's right, front and back, and then it's always with you.
Yes, and digital card update?
It's coming very soon.
Good.
And over 80% of the new member cards have been sent.
Great job, members.
Yes, 6 months of taking and gathering photos.
And Pauline and Gabriella, a ton of work over the past 6 months, collecting the photos, printing the cards, the distribution process. A huge thank you to you both.
And a shout out to Amber Dorsey on her 10-year anniversary at Horseshoe Bay Resort.
Superstar Amber. We have actually had her in the membership department for 5 years.
And staying somewhat true to what's rockin' in the club, what else is rockin'?
Staying in theme, integrating our new members, the new member mixer on Friday, May 6th.
WJ Pair Affair Golf Tournament on May 10th and 11th.
Pickleball weekend on the 13th and 14th. MGA on the 14th. WGA couples Sunday, May 15th.
Summit members, Western on the Water, May 19th.
And Pinot Pickleball open to all membership levels on Friday, May 20th.
Speaking of pickleball, exciting news, a new member pickleball league. And then our Summit member is that weekend too, the 20th and 21st.
Fun weekend for the golfers. Also, a tailor-made demo day on the 21st and a demo day on the 27th.
Jazz on the Green at Slick Rock Driving Range is on the 22nd.
Ah, that's my daughter's birthday.
Aaron or Emma's?
Both, 3 years apart. All right, let's keep going, girls.
More?
Cooking demo with Chef Miguel on the 23rd.
And a biggie, Golf on the Rocks member guest tournament for the gals on the 24th through 26th.
And maybe the most fun group of all, the 9-holers close out May, playing, yes, you guessed it, 9 holes on the 31st.
And the Y Bar will be opening on Mondays, May 16th. All good news.
Great news, Peyton. This is in addition to the member specials.
And that is taco nights extended into the evening at Slick Rock, and then soup and salad night continues at the Yacht Club also on Tuesdays.
And Yacht Club Wednesdays is lasagna night.
And Jay's is in on the action now. We've got Monday night is, I think they call it Bad Donkey Barbecue. It's a beautiful $15 plate. And also on Thursdays is a lunch special, and it's a soup and sandwich.
And members, on June 3rd is a large member spring party, Jammin the Bay. Mark your calendars.
Yeah, that's going to be a big event. A lot going on.
And indeed there is. Your normal promised 2-minute video has turned into more like 4.
And members, a final request to please be patient with our staff as we go through this transition.
And one last thing, kind of understanding this, members, if we did not do this now and accepted non-photo ID member cards, we could have double the members on property.
Ah, you're smart. We do not want this, members. We do want you to go out and have fun, and we will look forward to seeing you at the club.
We greatly appreciate you.